There is a storm coming.
There certainly is.
Lady, I've got a bird on the pad and a storm's coming in. We don't fly in bad weather.
Hey!
Hey!
Storm's coming. Setting records?
There's a storm coming, not just for me, for all of us, for everyone under the table.
All my life, my mother told me the storm was coming. Judgment Day. The beginning of a war between man and machines.
Fate whispers to the warrior.
A storm is coming. And the warrior whispers back. I am the storm.
The storm cannot be stopped, but it can be survived.
Those who live there are said to have supernatural powers.
You can get us there, Kaji, can't you?
No one has ventured this far. It's very dangerous.
Why is this place so special?
Shambhala is known by many names. To the Hebrew, it is Eden. The storm is coming. If you still wish to go, we must go now.
Editor Paley, this may be the last message you've received from me. The story grows stranger at every turn. Clues about a countdown, but to what, I don't know. I fear time is running out. With any luck, I'll be back soon with Dex and the story.
You think I'm crazy? Huh? Is that what he told you? Well, listen up! There is a storm coming! Like nothing you have ever seen! And not a one of you is prepared for it!
On a night like this, you came into the world.
I remember that storm. All the dogs in King's Landing howled through the night.
The war is not over. The true enemy won't wait out the storm. He brings the storm.
A storm is coming that you can't escape. Tears are falling like blood and rain.
We'll face it together.
Why is it all so quiet? Why do the birds all sing? 'Cause when it's all so quiet, something's happening.
It's changing out there. Just like last time. There's a storm coming, Harry. We'd all best be ready when she does.
I feel a storm coming. I feel a storm coming. This time we're not running. Are we gonna make it out alive? Gonna make it out alive. I feel storm coming. I see the sky falling, and I'm sending out a warning. Are we gonna make it out alive? Gonna make it out alive. I feel a storm coming.
Storm's coming. Okay. So how did you feel when you saw the storm?
I felt frozen.
Heart racing?
Frozen.
Like frozen, cold frozen? Frozen to the touch?
No. Like how you feel when you're scared and you can't breathe or talk.
A storm is coming. Our storm.
Deckard, Sapper, you, me, our lives mean nothing next to a storm that's coming.
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
A storm is coming.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming.
Or do anything. I felt this evil, like it was looking at me.
It was evil. Well, what do you think the evil wanted?
To kill.
There's a storm coming.
There is a storm coming, a black and terrible storm.
Storm's coming.
Storm coming, Mr. Wayne.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming.
Storm's coming.
Alice says there's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Dr. Suresh.
There's a storm coming, brother.
There's a storm coming, Frank.
There's a storm coming, kids.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming.
The storm is coming.
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
There's a storm coming, buddy. There's a storm coming.
A storm is coming, Frank says. A storm that will swallow the children.
You and your friends better batten down the hatches, because when it hits, you're all gonna wonder how you ever thought you could live so large and leave so little for the rest of us.
I study storms all my life. And this one is bigger than any storm that has ever been.
There's a storm coming. I am scared.
It's okay to be scared.
I do not have courage.
Know what this represents?
Tell us, sir.
Maybe it's the calm before the storm.
What's the storm?
Could be the calm before the storm.
What storm is
We have the world's great military people in this room, I will tell you that. And we're going to have a great evening. Thank you all for coming.
What storm, Mr. President?
You'll find out.
What storm, Mr. President?
You'll find out.